Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by assembling essentials, syllabus, rubric, and the lab sheet so you know assessment focus. Open your laptop and launch the IDE. Make sure compiler version matches class requirements. Start a time-stamped observation log so each event has context. Once done, record objectives and hypothesis. This clarifies what you watch and why it matters. Make short notes on expected behavior. These will guide what you look for during the practical session and save time later. You now focus on active observation. Watch program runs for inputs, outputs, timing, and any error messages, and write concise entries as they occur. Pay attention to code structure and algorithm choices because they explain behavior and efficiency. Once done with each test case, capture a screenshot or copy logs and add a timestamp so you can match results to notes. Make cause-effect statements linking observed behavior to specific code lines. This makes your later analysis precise. You finish by synthesizing observations into a clear conclusion. Compare expected versus actual behavior and list strengths alongside specific flaws. Explain why each issue matters in terms of functionality or rubric criteria, and give concise recommendations for fixes or improvements. Once done, attach logs, timestamps, and screenshots as evidence. If things go wrong, use the troubleshooting tip. Rerun failing cases with verbose logs and isolate the smallest input.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.